Today, I'm excited to announce that the Elephant Money Farms are open. Let's go, hey, let's go, Elephant Money Farms are open, hey. Elephant Money Farms are open, hey. Hey. Let's dive in. Let's get this party started. History has just been made. With the release of Elephant Money Farms, crypto investors can now earn yield on their blue chip assets. We have BUSD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cake, USDT, XRP, USDC, DAI, Dogecoin, ADA, and also Matic. Nowhere else in crypto can you get yields this high with this level of security. Checking out the new Medium article here, we can see that Solidity Finance were the auditors of the new update. And what makes this whole update so revolutionary are these things. It's open source, trustless, still your keys, lossless farm, flash loan proof, incredibly high stablecoin yield, zero dilution, no fees, and no taxes. And a huge innovation is that there is no impermanent loss. This is insane. Throughout all other decentralized finance projects, none of them offer this high of a yield on blue chip assets. I'm personally looking to bring over some of my Bitcoin and BUSD to earn some yield in the new Elephant Money Farms. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can catch those videos when they drop. Do you need one-on-one help? Reach out on DeFiSprings.com or at DeFi Springs on TikTok and Instagram. Until next time.